Welcome to Code for Kids Project Lesson 2, Leonardo da Vinci. Before we get started, we recommend that you and your students have completed either HTML1 or HTML2 courses, but it is not required. These project lessons are much more of a hands-free approach to the teacher, and we suggest just giving a brief introduction to the student before letting them go at their own pace. This project is a research project, which means the student is required to research information about Leonardo da Vinci using various sources online. As the teacher, you can just give the students a brief introduction about Leonardo da Vinci and who he was, and you can tell them to go at their own pace and research things. You'll notice that on the left-hand side in the code, a lot of the code is done for them already. All they need to do is change the question marks to the information that they can find online. The website is also designed for the student to be able to change the colors and style of the website very easily. You'll see on the left-hand side on line 5, for instance, you can see a CSS tag called style, where they can add their own color, which will change the header on the right-hand side. You'll also see on lines 18 and all the way down on line 90, the student can also change the background color of their website to anything they wish. They can also add the style tag to any HTML tag to personalize further. To go through the tasks very quickly, on the left-hand side, on line 30 to 33, we can see task 1, add to the paragraph in Da Vinci's life. So they need to research more information about Da Vinci and add it on line 40. Next, we see on line 44, task 2, insert the name of one of Da Vinci's inventions below. Use the internet to research. So as the student, they need to just go online, find an invention of their choice, and then they need to give details about that invention down on task 3. You'll also see that there's a list for the purpose of the invention, the problems and solutions of the invention, and some pictures that they can also research and get their address of on Google Images. For task 4, they need to add 3 to 5 more images. We've only provided the first image source tag for them. They need to add another 3 to 4. Next, we can see on line 96, task 5, replace the question mark with an image on Da Vinci's invention and an image title. Remember to resize your image so that it fits on the website. So they need to find another image of Da Vinci's invention, and they need to give it their very own height over here and the source over there, and they need to talk about it on line 101. Next, on task 6, we can see insert information here. Explain how the world would be different with or without this invention. They can write their answer on line 116. And then finally, if you look on line 124, there's a space for their sources. So the student needs to gather the website URL that they use to find the information, and they just need to put it in those lists from lines 127 to 129. If the student is stuck at any moment with personalizing the website or customizing, they can go to the colors tab at the top, which has information about all the different colors that CSS can accept when changing the colors. We really hope you enjoy this project, and thank you.